the main voice has been till now when it comes to sex, because like you said, taboo subject hai, is pe koi baat nahi karta. Hence, the only voice around it is the male voice.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're guys, at least they can talk about it. And they have set the rules for what is acceptable. So even बेचारे जो लड़के सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो लड़कियों से नहीं, वो औरतों से नहीं सीख रहे. पहले ज़माने में young men would be sent to courtesans to learn के कैसे बात करते हैं, कैसे पेश आते हैं, कैसे appreciate करते हैं. Today they're learning from other guys who know equally little,
Yeah.
who've managed to get lucky maybe, some who've just got lucky in their head. But
Right.
कुछ हुआ भी नहीं,
The
you know.
numbers are not that impressive.
But they think they know it all.
Right.
They're telling these guys, अरे तुम्हारी फिजिक ऐसी है, तुम्हें तो कोई लड़की पसंद नहीं करेगी. तुम्हें कैसे मालूम? अरे तुम ये बोरिंग बातें करोगे यार, तुम्हें कोई लड़की. एक बात बताऊं, कामसूत्र में लिखा है, because you know this is now a courtly society. Kamsutra is written in a time when it's the men are at court. Yeah, so the wealthy men of leisure at court. And it says that for a woman, if she's picking, they're all powerful. They're all wealthy men. They're all ministers' sons or whatever it is. So what distinguishes you from the other rich guy?
Mm-hmm.
It says that a man who is well-versed in the arts, who can have a conversation of things that are beyond industry,
Yep.
that is the most desirable man of all.
So verbal skill.
Verbal skills, a little knowledge of outside world, the arts and so on, maybe reading, somebody who likes to read. Honestly, most women prefer a guy who is sweet, who's not too pushy. I'm saying most, I'm not saying all.
Right.
And also it comes with a bit of maturity. I'll come to that. But sweet, not too pushy. Somebody who can actually talk to you. Rather than somebody who is going to come in and be this macho guy. A lot of girls, I'm saying girls rather than young women, actually even when they get slightly older, have this fallacy in their head. I want the bad boy. 2 दिन bad boy के साथ गुजार के सबके दिमाग सीधे हो जाते हैं. Because you know, you think you want this guy जो अरे कोई मेरी तरफ देखेगा तो ये लड़का आके उसके साथ लड़ेगा, उसको मुक्का मारेगा. If you've ever stood there, watched a fight in front of you, it scares the shit out of you. Okay? You don't want to be in that. You don't.
Right.
I am generalizing. Yes. I'm
course.
talking about 90% of women. Yes, there's always exceptions. If you have been with a guy who's the bad boy, essentially bad boy is somebody who's focused on themselves. After 2 days of being with them, you're like, okay, I also need a little bit of attention. Just what you're doing is not the best thing.
Right.
After 2 days of being with somebody, you know, there's this whole attitude, Salman Khan, you know, driving crazily, going over flyovers, landing on the road below. In reality, that's not what happens to a car when it goes over a flyover. Okay? You don't want to be in that car that is driving so rashly.
Right.
It is unsafe. It's horrible. Your heart is in your mouth.
Right.
You don't want that.
It's almost like saying that all I ever want to do is be on a roller coaster. And that's probably a good 30-second to 90-second ride.
Thrill, yeah.
But then past that point, you probably also want to be on the merry-go-round. You probably also I completely agree. The bad boy is an exciting phenomenon. And that probably sparks some attraction. But that's not the end-all, be-all. And as I've grown up, maybe this is what you meant by maturity. 6 years ago, 7 years ago, I'm now 28. I could be bought into the idea of being a bad boy, right? But the more I've grown up, I've realized the tricky part is not so much sparking her attraction, but it's actually maintaining it. That's where the real challenge begins. Yeah. And so many men get confused about, oh, I want these numbers because, you know, that's proxy for being macho or masculine and so on. Brother, the number part, in my experience, is not that difficult. What is really difficult is keeping one person happy, excited, passionate, indulged, all these things for a lifetime. And I feel like if you're really looking for a challenge, that's the challenge that would grace any man's sort of life in some way. Guys, if you're enjoying the clips that we are putting out on this channel, you can consume all our podcasts in small clips right here. We chunk them together and release them just for your convenience. Do not forget to press the subscribe button.